I want to, thank you. Right off the bat, I want to say thank you to Eric Contreras, our principal, for allowing these events to happen. I think it's great for students to find their voice as songwriters, and that's what this is all about. Why don't we start by just having you introduce yourself and explaining in your own words what it is that you do in the music industry, and saying hi.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Thank you for coming today. I'm incredibly excited to be here and to talk to all of you. My name is Samantha Cox. I'm VP of Creative in the New York office of BMI. The quickest way to explain my job is discovering new talent and signing it to BMI. I want to find the next big songwriter, the next big producer, the next big artist. All those people that you saw up there earlier, they were in my office before anyone, and before they were basically, didn't even have music recorded, some of them. So I met them when they were super young, which is why I brought all of these panelists together today, because they're incredibly young. I have had the pleasure of meeting them early on in their career, and I believe that every one of them is going to go on to be the next Bebe Rexha, the next Lady Gaga, the next My Chemical Romance, and that's what I do.
Hi, my name's Jude. I'm in Laundry Day with these guys, and that's pretty much it.
Mine's gonna be kind of similar, but I'm Henry. I'm in Laundry Day with these guys, and that's pretty much it.
My name's Henry. My name's Henry Pearl. I go to Beacon High School in New York City, and I play bass in Laundry Day.
My name's Etai. I'm also in Laundry Day. Thanks.
My name is Sawyer. I go to Beacon High School as well with all these guys, and I'm also in Laundry Day.
Hi, I'm Pom. I'm a producer and songwriter.
Hi, I'm Leyla. I'm an artist and songwriter. I went to Beacon High School, but no longer. Yeah, thanks for having me.
Hi, I'm Maude. I'm a freshman at Columbia, but I went to Brearley for high school. Yeah.
I'm Levi Pugh. I also go to Columbia with Maude, and I play piano for her as well.
Well, welcome, guys, and come on, one more round of applause for them. Thank you for being here.
So can you guys talk about your process a little bit? Like, how does a song like that start? Maybe you can talk specifically about this one.
So this one was interesting. A lot of the times when we make songs, it happens very spur of the moment. And of course, I think it's different from every song. But for this one in particular, we all work out of either my bedroom or Etai's basement. And this one, Etai had been working on programming drums and certain drum progressions and patterns. And he played us this one drum pattern, which is the one that's used in Cha. And immediately we were just into it. And when you get that feeling of when you see something or when you just hear something that you love so much, you're just immediately attached to it. So hearing the drums for that song, we were all just all in immediately. We're like, what is that? We need to use it. And from there, I think I developed a bass line for it, and we just kind of built and added to the song. And that's one thing I think that's interesting about us, is that it's not a typical way of writing songs where you all get around and you all share ideas and write a song in one space live. A lot of times now, because recording is so easy, you can record in your bedroom. It's a lot of building tracks one by one, and everybody plays different instruments. And for that one, it was it happened in one night because we were just so excited about it, I think.
And who comes up with the lyrics for you guys?
It depends. Usually the person that sings writes the lyrics. We've all been on songs before, at least once, so we've all written songs, but yeah, it depends. But the process is very collaborative, like Sawyer was saying.
So one of the other songs that I checked out was Harvard, which I thought was really clever idea, finding a Harvard shirt in the Lost and Found. Where did that idea come from? Is that a real school experience, or?
Harvard was interesting as well. Again, it started with a sample, a little quick audio recording that we had found online that we were just really drawn to. It was this weird synth line, and from there, I don't know, it just inspired. It was towards the beginning of writing the new album, and we were just, I was really inspired by it, and it just gave me that sense of like, I want this song to be about like losing all control, just letting who you are like come out and just like not worrying about what anybody thinks. And when I kind of felt that in the song, and I think we all did. So the lyrics just came about from that. And I don't know, I thought of the juxtaposition of like, just going crazy, like dancing like no one's watching while you're wearing this like Harvard sweatshirt. I just thought that image was so clear to me. And when you have an image like that, it's easy to write the rest of the song.
One thing that was special about that song in particular, though, is that that song had about 15 different versions of itself. And that really taught us, especially when we were making this last album, that time and effort don't necessarily make the best version of the song that you can possibly have. And I think it's important to know that so that you don't feel bad about what you've just done, but that you can go back and actually think why that didn't work and then put that towards the next version. Because a lot of our songs, we feel comfortable with the way that they come out like easily because we're confident in our ability, but that song, it took months to make, but it's good that we learned that as we were making that song.
Also, like, since recording is so easy now and we just do it all in our bedroom mostly, there's really no penalty for just putting down whatever idea you think of. So the reason we went through so many versions, we just literally tried everything until we saw what stuck and what we liked the best. And that process took months, but we're lucky we got to do it on our computer and the comfort of our homes, you know what I mean? Instead of a studio where you're on a time crunch.